Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a short video on YouTube. Now let's get started. First, open your YouTube apps, and in here you just click on the search a video icon at the bottom. This one, click on it. And in here, if you wanna share a short video on YouTube, so you just click on this icon. This is the share icon, click on it, and in here you can choose you wanna share to these apps. Maybe if you wanna share to WhatsApp, so you just click on WhatsApp, and if you wanna share with a copy link, so you just click on the copy link. And so that's how to share short video on YouTube. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.